Scaling and compression is quite a huge problem in today's data, like the number of parameters. The files continuously increase, the number of markers with more colors, you have more problems. So what we do now, we open up one file, we go to parameters, and you can see how the data is displayed here. So what we do, here we have our side row where we can go through and visualize our data. And we can click full display, so in this way we visualize all the data and we see how we can manipulate the data. Now if we go to the parameter and we select all of them, we will have the scaling set automatically for all. So for example, if we select all and the command is coming from here, you can see that the command is setting all the selected files, and we can compress the data in the way that we want or decompress the data. And the compression is uniform. You can see the change X and Y, which sometimes is not what we want. Again, we have 3 levels of compression set automatically by FlowLogic on loading the file: 300, 600, 900, very heavy compression. This compression is different according to the machine. So we check, FlowLogic is able to identify the machine, and according to the machine settings and the range, is able to set automatically 3 levels of compression that usually are meaningful. Now in this case, I think that is not what we want to do. So here we go back and we set up the compression. I don't like having file a lot compressed, but you can see how easy it is to set up the compression and visualize your data in a better way. Here is the same, and if meantime we want to set the compression, we want to set up full display, you can set full display, compress your data in the way that you think should be, and then revert, and we go back to whatever you want, and you can see here the data is totally changed. Another thing that we develop in FlowLogic is sometimes we have huge problem to display rare cells, like in this case. We go here, the cells are not definitely visible. Even if we go for black, the cells are not visible. So what we can do, we increase the size of the cells and we are able to visualize the cells. So this is another useful improvement that we did in FlowLogic. Again, we have a beautiful improvement in terms of parameter. For example, usually we use just area. In this file we don't have many parameters that are not areas. But if we want to get rid of parameter or not area, say visible parameter area only. And then you can decide what you want to see, because here you can see the reduction. We have just area parameters. So now we make all the parameters visible, and at this point you are in full control of your setting and how the data is displayed.